Hey, this is Game Guys site. Yesterday I got an email from XXX Illusion XXX requesting a introduction tutorial using Adobe After Effects. Okay, so this is going to be the introduction tutorial. It's going to be a basic one. This should be in two different parts because creating an introduction takes around 20 minutes. And keeping it within the 10-minute YouTube limit range is kind of hard. Alright, so first of all, if you're new to Adobe After Effects and don't know what stuff does what, the project window, this keeps record of all the files that you import and drag into the program, just like your library in Photoshop. Down here is your layers. All of your layers will be listed here. You can choose them to be 3D, you can turn the effects on and you can make them visible, mute them, lock the layers, and this is your timeline. Alright, and if you want to, you can zoom into your frame level so you can see it more specific. Alright, so first of all we need to create a new composition, so you just click composition at the top and new composition. You can also press Ctrl N as a shortcut. So as for a composition now, I'll just insert introduction, and the preset is the size of the canvas. A lot of people use like NTSC D1 widescreen. I use custom because it's a YouTube video. If I make it a widescreen, then my video will be stretched in height. So the standard YouTube video size is 640 by 480, and if you do use custom, make sure you untick lock aspect ratio. Okay, and the next one is duration. I set it to 15 seconds. You can always change this later on. Alright, so okay. Now as you can see, as I make the window smaller, it always shows 100% of the canvas, no matter how small it is. Usually if you zoom out using your scroll wheel on your mouse, then when you do stretch the window, it cuts half it off, you know. And to stop this and get it how it back originally, here you'll see a percentage. It should be 100 as you start off, and just select fit, and there will show 100% of the canvas, no matter how small it is. Alright, so first of all we need a background layer, so I'll right click in the project window, so right click, import and file. Now I'll just select some textures, grayscale, and I will choose texture number 3. The textures I have are from the Evolution preset package from videocopilot.com. Alright, so if you just highlight this, it'll show you its size, you know, resolution, its name. Alright, so I just drag this in. Now to scale this down, I'll just zoom out and just position it. Alright, now again I'll select fit. Okay, now as you can see, it's just black and white. Okay, we'll add some color to that. Now what you need to do is, in your layer area, just right click, select new and solid. It doesn't matter what width and height, just select any color. I'll make it black. Now press OK. Now don't change the size or anything. Alright, just highlight the black solid, drag it to the bottom, and on your background layer here you should see mode. Change the mode to overlay. Now you will see it's just black. Now again, highlight the black solid, go into effect, generate and ramp. Now you can see it's got a black to white gradient effect, and you can see the background in the, well, you can see the background image in the background. Okay, now the start color I'd like to be a light green, and the end color I'd like to be black. Alright, now I changed the ramp shape from linear to radial. And if you want to show more grain, then you just increase the end of ramp and decrease it to minimize the grain. Alright, and I'll just use that for the moment. Okay. Now I'll just close this once I'm finished. Now, again, in the layer area, just right click, select new and solid. I'll choose black color, make comp size. Okay. And I'll minimize it. We'll just scale it down in height. Make it a bit wider. And I'll just rotate it a bit. Okay. Now as you can see, my tools at the top aren't there at the moment. That was because in a previous tutorial I accidentally removed them. So in window, you should see all the different windows. Now tools, this should be it. Yeah, there you can see. Okay, now I don't know how I'm going to get them in there. I'll just leave it as that. So you just press W for the rotate tool, or you can just click the icon up there. I'll just rotate a bit, not too much. There, that should do. Now I just drag it down. You can position it anywhere on the screen. Alright. Now I'll highlight the layer that we just created, which is the black solid. Hold Control and press D